Have you ever wondered what a 401k really is and how it helps people build wealth for retirement? If you've just started working or you're thinking seriously about your future, understanding your 401k could be one of the smartest financial moves you'll ever make. Let's break it down in simple terms. No jargon, no confusion, just the facts you need to know. Part 1. The basics. What is a 401k? A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by your employer. It allows you to save a portion of your paycheck automatically before taxes are taken out. Think of it like a personal savings account that's designed just for your retirement years, but with powerful tax advantages. Here's how it works. Every time you get paid, a part of your income, let's say 5% or 10%, goes directly into your 401k account. This money is then invested in things like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, which grow over time. Part 2, the tax advantage, why it's so powerful. The biggest benefit of a 401k is the tax advantage. There are two main types, traditional 401k and Roth 401k. In a traditional 401k, your contributions are pre-tax. That means you don't pay taxes on that money now. Instead, you'll pay taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. Example: if you make $60,000 a year and put $6,000 into your 401k, the government taxes you as if you only made $54,000. This can lower your taxable income and reduce how much you owe in taxes each year. On the other hand, a Roth 401k works in reverse. You pay taxes on your income now, but your withdrawals in retirement are 100% tax-free, including your investment earnings. So if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket later, a Roth 401k might make more sense. If you want a tax break now, go with a traditional 401k. Part 3. Employer match free money. Here's where it gets even better. Many employers offer a 401k match. That means they'll add money to your account based on how much you contribute. For example, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary and you make $50,000 a year, you contribute 6%, which is $3,000. Your employer adds 50% of that, another $1,500. That's free money going straight into your retirement account. Always contribute at least enough to get the full employer match. Otherwise, you're leaving money on the table. Part 4. How the money grows. Your 401k funds don't just sit there. They're invested, usually in mutual funds that hold a mix of stocks and bonds. The idea is long-term growth. Over the years, your money earns returns, and those returns earn even more returns. That's compound interest in action. Here's an example. If you invest $300 a month for 30 years and earn an average return of 7%, you'll end up with over $340,000. But if you start 10 years later, you'll only have about $150,000. That's why starting early is the secret to building a strong retirement fund. Part 5. The rules, when and how you can withdraw. Your 401k is designed for retirement, so there are rules about when you can take the money out. You can begin withdrawing at age 59 and a half without penalty. If you withdraw money before that, you'll generally pay a 10% penalty plus regular income tax, unless you qualify for an exception. Once you reach age 73, you're required to start taking required minimum distributions, RMDs, if you have a traditional 401k. This ensures you pay taxes on that money eventually. Part 6. What happens if you change jobs? If you switch jobs, don't worry, your 401k doesn't disappear. You have a few options. Leave it with your old employer's plan. Roll it over to your new employer's 401k. Transfer it to an IRA, individual retirement account. A rollover lets you keep your tax advantages and continue growing your savings without interruption. Part 7. Tips to maximize your 401k. Here are a few smart strategies. Start early. Even small amounts add up over time. Always get the employer match. It's free money. Increase contributions gradually. Raise your percentage every year. Review your investment mix. Make sure it matches your risk tolerance and goals. Avoid early withdrawals. Let compound growth work for you. Your 401k isn't just a savings account. It's your ticket to financial freedom later in life. Part 8. Final thoughts. A 401k might sound complicated at first, but once you understand how it works, it's one of the most powerful tools you have for building wealth. It allows you to save automatically, earn employer contributions, enjoy tax benefits, and take advantage of long-term compound growth, all in one plan. So, whether you're just starting your first job or already deep into your career, make your 401k a priority. Your future self will thank you.